guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayanda Meme, mostly known as Amasha Mezbugo. So come along with me to spend a weekend with me at Free State. We'll be doing our schoolwork for videology, so take it off. So guys, just reached our first stop. Sorry, my voice is so rusty. I've been sleeping all the way. I'm tired like nobody's business. Guys, welcome to day 2 of my vlog. I just woke up. For now, I'm just gonna take a shower and then get started with the day and go back to the, what do you call the place again? I forgot to take pictures. I am so tired. My voice is even rusty like nobody's business.